The United States of America is one of the most powerful countries in the world today. But it didn't start that way. Its story begins with small colonies, struggles for independence, wars, and mistakes that changed history. From slavery and conflicts with Native Americans to becoming a global superpower. The USA has a story full of courage, challenges, and lessons. In this video, you will learn the history of the USA in simple English, discover its achievements, and understand the faults that shaped it. Stay with us until the end to see how a small group of colonies become a world changing nation. The USA is a country with a long and complex history. Today, it is known for its culture, economy, and political power, but it began as 13 small colonies on the east coast of North America. These colonies were founded by Europeans who came from freedom, trade, or adventure. Life in these colonies was not easy. People faced disease, hunger, and harsh weather. Native Americans who had lived on the land for thousands of years were often forced off their land. This conflict is one of the first mistakes in the history of America. The early settlers built towns, farms, and trade routes. They worked hard to survive and create communities, but their success came at the expense of people who were already living there. Understanding this helps us see what history is not always simple or perfect. By the 1700s, 13 colonies were growing stronger. They were still under the control of Great Britain. Colonists had to pay taxes to British government but had little say in how they were ruled. This led to anger and frustration. Events like the Boston Tea Party in 1773 showed that colonists wanted freedom. They protested British control by dumping tea into the harbor. This was a turning point that eventually led to the American Revolution in 1775. During the revolution, many people fought bravely for independence, but the war was also harsh. Lives were lost, cities were damaged, and some groups, including Native Americans and enslaved people, were not given freedom. While independence was achieved in 1783, it came with costs and ongoing challenges. The founding of the nation. After winning independence, the United States forced a new challenge, creating a government. The Constitution, written in 1787, became the foundation of the country. It set rules for how the government would work and promised rights to citizens. However, the Constitution did not solve all problems. Slavery was still legal and women could not vote. Native Americans continued to lose land and rights. These are important parts of history to understand because they show that the nation had serious faults even as it grew stronger. Despite these problems, the United States began to grow. Cities expanded, trade increased, and people moved west to explore new lands. This westward expansion created opportunities but also caused conflicts with Native Americans. Slavery and Civil War. One of the most serious mistakes in early US history was slavery. Millions of African people were brought to America and forced to work on farms and plantations. They had no freedom and their lives were very hard. Slavery caused deep divisions between northern and southern states. These differences led to civil war in 1861. The war was long and bloody. Millions of people died, but it ended in 1865 with the abolition of slavery. Even after slavery ended, African Americans faced discrimination, segregation, and violence. The fight for civil rights continued for more than a century. Understanding this history is important to see that growth and freedom often come with struggle and mistakes. Industrialization and growth. After the Civil War, the United States became stronger economically. Factories, railroads, and cities grew quickly. People from many countries came to USA to work and build a better life. Industrialization brought wealth, but it also caused problems. Workers often faced long hours, low pay, and unsafe conditions. Immigrants were sometimes treated unfairly. Pollution increased, and many natural lands were damaged. These are examples of how progress sometimes created new problems. America on the world stage. In the 20th century, the USA became involved in world events. It fought in World War One and World War Two to defend freedom and help allies. These wars caused suffering, but they also helped the USA gain influence around the world. After World War Two, the United States emerged as a superpower. It played a key role in international organization, trade, and technology. American culture, including movies, music, and inventions, spread globally. At the same time, the USA faced challenges at home. Civil rights, racial inequality, and conflicts over resources were major issues. The Cold War created tension with other countries. These wars show that even a powerful nation has serious internal and external struggles. Modern USA achievements and challenges. Today, the United States is known for its democracy, innovation, and cultural influence. It leads in technology, education, and entertainment. Millions of people immigrate to the USA seeking opportunity and safety. However, the country still faces problems, social inequality, racial tension, and political disagreements. Continued environmental challenges like climate change and pollution affect many communities. Recognizing this issue is important for understanding the full story of the nation. The story of the USA teaches us important lessons. Growth and success often come with mistakes and struggles. Freedom and rights are built over time through effort and courage. Understanding facts and history helps people learn and improve the future. Diversity and resilience are strengths that can help overcome challenges. By studying history, we can appreciate achievements while also remembering the mistakes and struggles that shaped the country. From small colonies to a global superpower, the United States has a history full of courage, innovation, and mistakes. Its story includes the struggles of settlers, the fight for independence, slavery, civil rights, industrial growth, and modern challenges. The USA's history shows that nations grow through effort and learning. It reminds us that success does not come without challenges. By understanding both achievements and faults, we can see the full picture of the most important country. This was the story of how a small group of colonies became a superpower told in simple English. Watch again to practice your listening and speaking skills. Share your thoughts about history in the comments. Try to retell this story in your own words. If you want more stories in simple English, subscribe and click the notification bell. Learn English through stories makes history easy and fun.